All right, this is my review of the NEEWER ring light kit. Let's see the main points. All right, so first of all, it has 2 height adjustment points. So it gives you a lot of versatility there. You can get it nice and short, or you can get it nice and tall. It even goes taller than this. Here's the adjustment for the light. It's literally just this knob. And that's at dim, that's the dim. And then you can just see how it brightens up. It goes all the way bright. Super versatile. I bought this in 2017 and it has lasted me all this time, and it is still the light that I use. I mean, this is the light that I use to shoot all of my videos for Amazon. So that's at full brightness. There are you can see here, there are clips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. And you have a white option, which is currently on here. That's what most of you are gonna use when you're shooting like either beauty videos or TikTok or Instagram Reels, or if you're just doing like YouTube videos. You have the hot shoe mount here. So you're gonna be able to put you're gonna have a hookup, so you're gonna be able to put any phone in there or any DSLR camera. It's all gonna fit right in there. And then you also have these orange panels. And these easily snap on and off. And the clips are just right there. You can snap the white ones off, put the orange ones on. I will say most of you are just gonna be using the white light because that's just what most people use this for. So then it's easily packable. You have this hard case. It's hard on both sides. And it's got a nice little storage pocket. I have taken this thing all over the country, including Hawaii. I think I've taken it out of the country. I think I've taken it to Germany too. So it's been around with me a lot since 2017. This is still the light I use. So you can see how good of a value it is. It holds up over time. I don't think there's any way that you could make a bad decision with the NEEWER ring light. Great value. I hope you like it too.